Hey guys, welcome back to Soccer So. Today I'm showing you guys how to make jiggly slime. So the ingredients you'll need is two different types of glue. I'm using glitter glue and a gallon of clear glue. And you're also going to be needing your activator. I'm using Tide. Then 200 milliliters of water and a spoon. So first, add your two glues. And you sort of want to pour an even amount. So that's probably good. Next, just mix. Once your mixture is all complete and all mixed together, add your 200 milliliters of water. It doesn't matter if you pour it slow or fast. Just gotta get in the bowl and just mix. So it will turn to liquid. It won't, it won't like turn to slime immediately. So that's why you guys just need to, if you guys are up for the challenge, that's okay. So when you add your activator, it won't turn to slime immediately. Just saying, guys. So now it's all liquid. That's good. That's why we want it. We want a liquid. Next, just add your activator. So again, I'm using Tide, and I'm just putting a little bit at a time. Again, it won't turn to slime immediately. So just it's like it's sort of turning into slime a little bit. So you just need to be patient. Whoa, look at that, guys. So see, it's turning into slime. Starting to. Whoa. Okay, just gonna add some more Tide and just keep on adding, just keep on doing this until your slime is totally complete. Now I'll show you guys really quick on what we're trying to make. So we are trying to make this. This is jiggly slime I made. So we were trying to make this, and guys might be like, it won't happen. No, it will actually happen, guys. You just gotta be patient, because it won't turn into slime immediately like it usually does. So yeah. And it's just starting to clump up. Whoa. So there's all like a big slime on my spoon. Okay, just gonna add a little bit more Tide. Don't really want it a lot, basically. But I tried it a lot. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys this. So if you add a lot of water, it'll be more jiggly. So it doesn't matter how much water you add. I just thought 200 milliliters would be enough. But if you guys want your slime to be more jigglier, then just add up more water. So this is starting to get touchable. Sort of touch it a little bit. So just add a little bit more at a time until your slime, it looks like a touchable. It's not sticking to the bowl anymore. And that is a little bit hard to tell for jiggly slime because jiggly slime is sort of liquid. So this I'm just gonna touch by one hand because you never know. So this looks sort of like slime, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of glitter glue because it looks like it needs some more. So I'm just adding a little bit of some more glitter glue. So, guys, I'm about to say something, but you guys, your slime will be big, so I wouldn't recommend adding a lot of glue because you have to add your Tide and your water, your activator. So I wouldn't recommend putting a lot of glue in because your slime's gonna be even bigger. So it's a little bit sticky. You guys just gotta knead a little bit at a time because it'll feel like it's not ready, but it actually is. So, just knead it and knead a little bit at a time or else you're ready to go for the wrist. So, see, it's turning into slime. It's already basically turning into slime. So, this part's turning into slime. So, it's ready. I'm just set this aside. I'll just take a little bit more. Took a little even bigger chunk. And you guys probably just add it to your first piece or just mix it all together. But so guys, if you guys are like, how do you do that? I mean, like, it didn't work for me. Well, you probably messed up on the activator because you really can't mess up on any part of this. It's like the activator. So yeah, so if you guys messed up, leave a comment down below on what saying you messed up on. And then I will try to reply your comment and saying, oh, you did this wrong or something. But it's probably the activator because you can't really mess up on, I don't know if you can mess up on water. I think you probably can a little bit, but not too bad. So, yeah, so here's my slime ready. And I'm just gonna get my other slime. So move this out of the way. Then get my slime I just made. Whoa. Now, it won't be like totally slime like right when you first just made it. So it won't be able to poke. But this is my other slime. I waited probably 3 days. And it's better. It's a lot better. See, look, ready? Stretchy. And a chili slime, and I'll show you guys. So it's pretty jiggly. So that's why we just made this, and I'm really excited because this will get this will get a pokey sound, and it will just not right when you just made it. So yeah. So thanks for watching this week's video. For a chance to see a shout out in next week's video, just comment down below. So bye guys.